Happy New Year everyone, welcome to 2025. Thought I'd jump on here, did this video yesterday, New Year's Eve, just a quick video of me cleaning my Wildcat Evolution moderator. Stripped it down. I was going to do this a while back, but I've only just had my study set up with a desk, so I'm able to actually work and do some bits up there and do some filming. Got a new bracket as well, so I can stick the phone up on a shelf, film from there. So yeah, just sit back and enjoy a little instructional video, clean this Wildcat moderator. At this point I realise I probably should put gloves on, but yeah, it's a bit of a dirty job. So here I'm just using some fairy liquid as per Wildcat's online guidance. So soak the moderator parts in neat fairy liquid for 10 minutes and then clean off with warm soapy water. So here I'm just covering them up and then leave them for 10 minutes to soak in and then get scrubbing.
Too dirty?
After giving it a good scrub and rinsing it all off, all the excess fairy liquid, just put a patch on with some Boretech Eliminator, give it a good scrub again over the baffles, just to make sure I've got as much carbon off as I can. Take it all out, sort of towel dry it loosely first, and then move on to kitchen roll and patches. Just try and get some of the excess water off now. I'm leaving it for a couple of hours, just let it air dry, and then give it another rub over. As I was cleaning this part, I noticed sort of like a carbon ring that was baked on. This is where the crown, or just in front of where the crown actually threads on, or the moderator threads into the crown. So I just attacked it with some Boretech Eliminator and then got a plastic sort of scribe, and it just rubbed off pretty easily. I'm pretty happy with that bit. Before anyone asks, yes, I did apply a small amount of grease to the O-rings and onto the threads when reassembling. I've done it before, I've done it previously, and it does make disassembly next time a hell of a lot easier, and keeps the O-rings in good condition.